you have used paint software in the childhood, in your school time. If you were not a good artist, so you were not able to create a stunning arts on the paint. But now Google has resolved this issue. Now Google has introduced a AI tool where you can generate arts, whatever you will imagine. Just draw as much as you can draw, and automatically they will draw it. In the era of machine learning and artificial intelligence, everything is possible. So stay tuned. Let's see how it works. So firstly, you will have to come to this website, autodraw.com. You can customize it also, the page size, and just click on auto draw. Choose the pencil color. Suppose I want black. Suppose you have to draw a fish. So let me draw a fish. So not to worry guys. We don't need to worry. Just draw it as much as you can draw, and you will see the magic in the last. And then you will have to go up and you will have to search if there are any fish they have recognized. See guys, they have recognized there is a fish. AI and machine learning automatically understood that they are trying to draw a fish. So you can choose any fish you want. So suppose I want this fish. Click on that fish. See the magic guys. The fish is ready, and how beautiful looking it. And you can just feel the color in this fish. Click on the color, and you can give them any color you want. Suppose I want orange color fish. So click on that. Click fill. See, the fish is ready guys. How stunning it is looking like. So no matter you are not an artist, you will be able to draw it anything you want. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.